Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can get rainbow name in Brawl Stars. So first up, open your Brawl Stars app as you can see. Now tap on your profile name at the top left-hand corner of our screen. Here as you can see, my name is Feature Beast, and beside that you will find a rainbow icon. So tap on that, and here you will find all the colors that you can basically use in order to change your color name. So these are all free, so you can use any of the colors or rainbow color name that you want. So in my case, I'm going to select this one here, or maybe you can just change the name here. It's free. And then here you can basically change, for example, this one, right? So going back to the main dashboard. So if you don't find this option, you can basically get a Brawl Pass. So just tap on the icon at the bottom left hand corner, and you can just get a Brawl Pass to basically access that feature. Or maybe you can see if it's free on your end. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.